Grandpa. Hi.
What you guys playing?
War. War. War.
Would you say it real loud?
War.
Yeah, all right. Look right in there once. That's good. A couple kids. Here. Hello. Hello, kids.
How you doing?
Oh, pretty good. What are you going to do tomorrow?
We're going to watch cartoons.
You are. What's Grandma going to do tomorrow? What do you think?
I don't know.
Should probably get ready for Sunday.
Oh, I'll probably get some pretty curls tomorrow.
We should probably go.
You going to sled tomorrow?
Yeah. Swimming.
Yeah.
After we watch cartoons, we're going to go sledding.
Yeah, good.
Oh, you're going swimming, are you?
What's Janie going to do?
She goofed.
Okay. Well, we'll save a little of this for Stephanie, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Don't take a picture of me.
Well, no, you're getting it anyway. Talk to the kids.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hello. Talk to each other.
Ralph, what are you doing?
Tell her what you're
Tell
going to do
Grandpa
tomorrow.
about your ski.
Ralph, tell her what you're going to do tomorrow.
You don't have to talk into it.
Grandpa, when I go
When did you
Okay,
listen to
Renee,
it
quick.
tonight?
Hurry.
March.
Okay, I'm going to stop. Hello.
Hi, Stephanie. Hi.
Big eyes.
You couldn't talk? There's your mother. Hi, Mama.
Okay.
Hi, Grandpa.
Over there.
Hi.
I think you got a pretty little sister there. She's just a wiggling all rapping looking here.
Yawning.
And Renee, move just a little bit to your left there, just a little so I can see your dad. There, we got everybody.
That was your right, but that'll do.
You want to let me take another picture?
How?
Hi there.
Eh,
Hi there.
What do you think she's gonna?
Okay.
Stephanie's 3 months.
She's gonna look like Ranee too.
Yeah. Yeah. You think she's gonna be redheaded,
Oh,
Brown?
this one, did it bother the film?
She's gonna be just as ratty as her.
Yeah. Okay.
Ralph.
Yeah.
Smile pretty.
Come on, chat up a little bit. Talk to each other. You don't have to look at me. Just look at each
Look at Ralph.
other.
Grandma.
Okay.
What are you doing?
What was wrong? All right, you got your sights on. Okay.
Come on, you gotta hit that.
Yeah.
Oh! Ow! Miss. You're gonna miss. Oh.
Man, he's moving them balls now. That's the time. Look at that. Look at that. Pocket it up.
That's all you did. Go, Ralph.
That's the time, Tim. Oh, look at that.
Go, Ralph. Walk around in front of it. You always do. You want us to?
Okay, come on. Let's see you go, Ralph. Ah, bye-bye.
3.
All right, let's see it.
You can't shoot. Oh, you're
Hurry
gonna
up.
shoot 3.
Pump it away.
Ha! Knock it in. 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 Go.
Shoot it. Huh?
Ooh.
Hello. Oh, my goodness. Look at me. Turn her around here. There's her. Look at her.
What do you call me, Robbie?
Yeah, look here. Tim, let's see you go. I've got it on you. Right in there.
Now, right out of
All right. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's see what you do. Got it on you. Ah. Ralph, tell me your name.
Ralph. Ray. Magnificent Tim. My mechanicals on the baby.
Who's winning?
Us.
Everybody's winner. Okay. How old is she, Jane? Jane?
3 months.
No, man, what a fat girl.
No, I need 3 months.
That. Okay, look at it.
What are you trying to look, honey? Hey, you guys want to put... You guys, trailer balls back here.
You feed her with what?
I usually feed her in her infant seat.
Oh,
Hey,
okay.
man.
This is
Some kind of a thing you use?
No, I sit her in her seat.
Oh.
But I didn't bring it with us
Oh,
tonight.
man, that's awful.
So,
Well, she's sure getting fat. Growing up like a
yeah.
little weed. Here we come. Say something to go into. Look at it.
He said something. Say it.
George.
And then he wants to have it. Now he can go to... Oh, here's the... Shoot, man. I don't know what to say in that thing.
Hello.
It's funny how these things, you get one of these things here and it turns you off. You don't know what
Yeah,
you say.
turn you off.
Hey, you want to say something? No?
Here, Pierre, you want to say a word? Huh? No, it's just Randall's pig.
Well, now, Brother Robertson, I just assumed you wouldn't do this.
Shut up for a while.
Yeah, this looks real interesting.
It's been warm in here since we ate, isn't it? I was freezing all afternoon.
Worry about now.
Yeah, this is, hi, dearie.
Yeah, watch the birdie.
Yeah.
Talk to your grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Hi, Grandma.
Come on.
Hi, George.
Ah, yeah, Randall.
Hi, Brother Randall.
Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Sister Randall. Hi, Sister Randall.
Other times my mouth just never shut.
Come on, Jane. Say something.
Hi, Grandpa.
Today's the same day as their anniversary.
Oh, happy birthday, right?
How many years, Annie?
75.
Oh. Oh, Vic. How many years have you been married? He didn't hear me.
How many years?
Oh, 60.
Yeah.
Annie, I know how old you were.
Say something.
Elsie, tell him that you're starting your pearls.
You guys gonna be down in Oregon?
You didn't remember when yours was.
We don't know for sure.
Don't know for sure.
February 11th.
Glad to have you tonight
See, his is just 1 month after
for the
mine.
stock club.
January 11th.
Oh,
Ron.
I really enjoy it when you play.
Yat kautikani aish, yat kautikani, yat kautikani, yat kautikani aish. In English way, glory to God in the highest, glory to God in the highest, glory.
We got that one down at Pleasantville.
Oh, that's just a new one, then, huh?
Keep it going.
We're supposed to brought another kind of camera.
Here we are. Come on, look at me. Come on, each one of you, look at me. There we are. Hello there. Hello there, Chad. Now, come on, Sue, get over in there with me. Hello. Hello. That's going. Well, you haven't looked at me once yet.
Who's that?
Huh.
What is that?
Hello there. Hi.
I guess I'm gonna have to make motions with her to make her smile, don't you? Janie will smile.
Church.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mm-hmm.
We gonna take Grandma?
Yes.
When's your dad come?
Saturday.
Good morning, Deb.
Good morning, Dennis.
Yeah. You want to church this morning, I guess.
I guess you know I am.
We're just so thrilled that you folks were here.
Well, I don't know any place I'd rather be.
Yeah.
Happy to be here.
Yeah, well, we've been looking for you down for a long time now.
Well, Lord willing, we'll get to see you next year
Yeah,
in September.
we sure hope so.
Daddy. Going to church this morning.
Good. You sure have pretty much a couple little kids.
Thank you.
Glad you came down.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
How you doing, Bill?
What?
Glad to have you guys this morning. How's looking on your side?
That's fine.
And, Gene, what do you got to say? Glad to have you this morning. Aren't you going to say one word?
I don't think so.
What
When people in Alaska know that you're happy Christians. And doing something for the Lord. When you love. So I'd like for us just to, if you would, just everyone. Do that so often. Mercy. Came our way. Fellowship with us a short time. Because you're Alaska.
Say whatever you want.
Can we move while you're doing all that?
Yeah, just talk. What are you doing?
Then we leave.
Amen.